Guys, welcome back to Made by Nala. Today I'll be showing you how I made this cute little skirt using a sewing machine and some old jeans. All you'll need is some pins. That's the additional bit. So here I am just showing you the jorts that I was using. What I was going to do here is I'm going to cut 3 to make the mini skirt. So like I'm just rubbing on the crotch right now just to show you guys that you need to cut over the crotch, not under the crotch, because we're making a mini skirt. So if you guys don't know how to make a mini skirt, then make sure to check out my other YouTube video which shows you, but it's very much easy, especially for this one. It's just straight across because we're adding pleats, so we're going to bring in the length back into the look. So yeah, this is just me cutting 3.
Just take it on back, boy, take it on back, boy, take it back all night. Just take it.
Once you've cut the skirt, you should have something like this, and this is me just making sure that the crotch was cut and just to even up any areas that were needed. So that's what I'm doing right now. So once you've done that, you should have 2 pieces like this. So remember, these were trousers, so you would have 2 connecting pieces and a mini skirt. So this was me just like measuring everything up to make sure it's okay. And what you want to do is you want to line everything up and cut any excess fabric away and cut the sides, one side in half at least, so that we can join them up later. Okay, so now you should have 2 pieces like this, and what we're going to do is we're going to pin them together, the sides, right sides together, and I'm showing you how to differentiate that. So the nicer sewn part with the other side that's nicer sewn together, we'll pin to the side, and then we're going to take it to the sewing machine and sew that together. Once you've pinned that together, you should have something looking like this, and now we're going to go to the sewing machine. So once that was done, I had this. So it's just a piece that's together, and that was the legs of our jorts. So now I wanted to pleat everything, and I just kind of like just saw how things were looking. So that's something that you should do. But now I'm going to show you the pleating process, which is a little bit difficult. But what I was doing is basically folding over the piece. As you can see, this is me just moving to show you better. But like, it's literally fold over the piece. Make sure that you've got like 1 pleat, and then you want to take a pin and pin that piece together and keep doing that. Things should look like this once it's done. Now I ironed over my pleats, like just to make sure that everything was in place. And guys, honestly, trying to iron and talk at the same time and show, it's just so tough. But this is what I was doing for a bit. Once that was done, I went over to my sewing machine and sewed the pleats together. Okay, so guys, I've just had a little error on the sewing machine, an E5 error, I think that's what you call it. So I'm kind of like stressed. I just want to get this project done and dusted so that I can put on the garments and stuff. But what I wanted to show you is that right now I'm basically putting 2 right sides together. So the pleated side along with my skirt, this is the right side and that's the right side of the pleats. I'm putting those together and I'm gonna run it through my sewing machine. I'm not really gonna show this part because I'm stressed, because I'm scared I'm gonna get another error, and yeah, I just want to get it done and dusted. So the next snap is gonna be me wearing it if it goes well. Mwah. I fixed my sewing machine, guys, so I can basically show you as I go along. So yeah, I'm just sewing the pieces together. Don't do this, guys. Keep your eyes on the prize, because you'll sew your fingers together or get another E5 error. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Should I pop you guys on here? Hi, I guess we can see each other. So yeah. And that, guys, is how I did this cord. Basically, once you've done the pleating and you've sewn it on together, it's all done and dusted. See you next week, Thursday.